Hindenburg claims SEBI chief Madhabi Booch had stake in offshore entities linked to Ada. The newsroom is buzzing with activity. Journalists are typing away at their keyboards, phones are ringing, and TV screens on the walls display various news channels. The camera zooms in on a large screen at the front of the room where a breaking news alert is displayed. On screen, breaking, Hindenburg report alleges SEBI chief Madhabi Booch's involvement in offshore entities linked to Ada. The lead journalist, RIA, mid-30s, sharp, determined, watches the alert with intense focus. She quickly gathers her team around her desk. "All right, team, this just came in from Hindenburg. They're claiming SEBI chief Madhabi Booch has stakes in offshore entities tied to something or someone called Ada. We need to dig into this now." The team is gathered around a table covered in documents, laptops, and screens showing financial data and news reports. A research analyst, late 20s, methodical, is scrolling through offshore account records. "I found a series of transactions linked to an entity named Ada Holdings. It's based in a tax haven, and the connections to Adani are subtle but definitely there. So Ada could be a shell company. But why would Madhabi Booch be involved? We need to verify her connection." Cut to computer screen. A series of documents is displayed, one of which has Madhabi Booch's name listed alongside Ada Holdings. The camera zooms in on the signature line where her name appears. Look at this. A signature matching Booch's is on a document authorizing a transfer from Ada Holdings to another offshore entity linked to the Adani Group. This could be huge. We need a statement from SEBI and Adani, and someone has to reach out to Hindenburg for further details. The camera shifts to a news anchor, 40s, authoritative, in a studio, reporting the story. On the screen next to her, images of Madhabi Booch, the SEBI logo, and the Adani Group's headquarters appear. Seriously, in a shocking revelation, Hindenburg Research has claimed that SEBI chief Madhabi Booch has stakes in offshore entities linked to an entity called Ada, which is connected to the Adani Group. The implications of these allegations could be far-reaching, and we are awaiting responses from both SEBI and Adani. Corporate office, night. Madhabi Booch, 50s, composed, professional, sits at her desk, her face lit by the glow of her computer screen. She's reading the Hindenburg report with a stern expression. A phone rings on her desk, and she hesitates before answering. "Madhabi Booch, yes, I've seen the report. We need to handle this carefully. Prepare a statement, but I want to review everything first." Ria and her team are still hard at work, phones ringing, and new information coming in. The mood is intense but focused. This is just the beginning. We need to stay on this, get to the bottom of who or what Ada really is, and how deep this goes. Let's keep digging. The camera slowly zooms out, showing the newsroom from above, bustling with energy as the team continues to investigate. For further updates, please subscribe, like and comment.